everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia. So today I'm really excited to be doing this review. This is the Allsaints URSA Satchel bag. You know, it's a bag that I was eyeing for a little bit. I wanted to get something that was a little more casual and also something that I didn't have to baby. And also I didn't want, for myself personally, I don't buy everything high end. I really look for quality sometimes and also something that just looks good and feels good. And I came across the Allsaints brand some time ago, and I just love their clothing. I love some of their leather. I think they have a really, really good brand. So so I bought this bag. I do like to share a couple of things sometimes, why I bought the bag, what I like about it and what I don't like about it, because I think there's always good and bad in everything that we buy. And of course, there's probably more bad because I shouldn't be shopping. But anyway, so I do want to, share a little bit of why I bought the bag and things like that and what I don't like about it. And so what I'm going to do next is I want to just go through the bag really quick so that I can kind of, keep this video as short as possible for you. So this is the bag, and it's a leather bag. You can see it's really slouchy. This is what it looks like on the side. Here's the back. And again, the other side. But it's really nice. It's really, the strap you can see is adjustable. It does have this gold hardware, but it's almost like a bronze. It's not a very shiny gold, so I think I really like that it's more subtle. The one thing that I really love about the bag is that it does have this magnetic closure here. So you could see how it just kind of closes by itself, so I do like that. The other thing about this bag is on the sides, there is this thing here where you can adjust it, where if maybe you want it to be a little tighter, you can just remove that. And you can make your bag just a little bit, not so big, but it actually snaps right back in. So I do think that that's a really nice feature. I do like my bag a little more open because I'm using this bag primarily for travel and for business and for work. I travel a lot with an iPad, which I will show what fits in here in a minute. And for me, it's just more practical, but I do want to show you. So that's really what, again, I'll show you this so you can see the side. It does have that little button, this little closure that does come off. But you know what? I know some people might be afraid that maybe this is just going to come right out and not stay. But it does seem pretty solid and firm. So I don't think there'll be an issue with that, because you could even see how hard it was for me to put that back on. As far as the front, the same thing goes here. You can see that it does have these buttons here where you can also remove. But again, I probably wouldn't remove those. I just leave it the way it is. The nice thing though, I will say, I probably should do this for you guys, is just remove one side so you can see. Because it does have a pocket here. There's a little front pocket. It's a pretty slouchy open pocket, but you can remove these if you want to do that. The inside is suede, so it's a really soft suede. You can actually see the block. Really pretty. Inside is just all open. There is this one pocket here. There's one little pocket right, attached to this part. But there you go. The inside's all black. But again, there's not a whole lot to this bag. But again, it's a simple bag. And I think it's, for me, I like the slouchiness. And I think it's like a fun bag. And if you're like me and you don't like to have flashy bags all the time, and sometimes you want something that's a little bit just more subtle and just something that's low maintenance, I think this is an awesome bag. I do want to show you a couple things. I'm going to jump into what fits inside. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just start putting things in here. So this is really what I usually travel with if I'm traveling or going to a business meeting. I try not to take my laptop with me, so I will use an iPad. So this is my iPad that I use, and you can see that it does fit in here, which I think is nice. I always carry a book with me, for taking notes and things like that. And then sometimes I'll put my sunglasses, or I'll put my my card holder, something in here, just, if I'm on the go. And obviously you can put your keys in here and your cell phone. There's plenty of room, but I do want to show you what it looks like when it's full. But you can see it actually stands up a little bit nicer with it a little fuller. But yeah, it's a nice bag. Of course, because you have an iPad in here, it might kind of roll over, but I really don't care. Again, I grab this bag on the go and I just throw it wherever. Throw it in the back seat, my car. I throw it in the trunk, if I'm in a meeting and things like that. But I do love how soft this leather is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what fits in it. I do want to also do some odd shots, and then we will be done. Okay, so I'm 5'4", about 130 pounds, and this is what the bag looks like on me. So you can see from the side, front, side. But it's cute. I think it's a really nice size. And again, I mean, it does have the adjustable strap, so you could actually make it a little shorter actually than how it is right now. Right now it is probably at the longest length. Hold on. No, actually, that's not the longest length. But let me show you how long the length can go. It's just a little bit longer now. But again, not a whole lot. But again, I think this is more of a shoulder bag. Okay, so a few things before we end. I just wanted to mention, I know I like to mention a few things before I end my videos. Why I bought the bag. Again, I bought it because I wanted something that was not so flashy and something that was more low maintenance. What I love about the bag is I love how slouchy this bag is and how soft it is. I think it's a really nice slouchy bag. What do I not like about this bag? I think the only thing I would say I don't like about the bag is, you know, sometimes when I do put my iPad in it, because of the weight, it just tends to kind of roll over, you know, it'll fall over a little bit. I think that's the only thing, but again, it's a slouchy bag. Unless you get a, you know, buy some type of insert. I think if you bought an insert, I think it would be fine, but I don't want to do an insert. I like the slouchy look anyway. But that's really all I have for you. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thank you.